Welcome to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to work with visual search. So visual search helps you find anything you're looking for that's visually happening. So that could be objects, people, even shot types. Go to the search bar and type in what you're looking for. You could type in things like hiker or tent or wide shot, and then Final Cut Pro will instantly populate that footage and you can drag it into your timeline. I love the visual search, but I love the audio search where it scrubs through everything you've said, so you can type in words that you've said and it'll find every instance of that. So when I type in subscribe, you'll see all the instances populate where I say subscribe and I can pick the best one. Being able to search your own speech is just so cool. I think it's the coolest part of visual search. You can toggle between audio search and visual search, but I just keep it on all because I would rather just use it as a search all instead of having to switch back and forth. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. I have so many tutorials on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes in my free course called Tutorials, where you'll learn a skill in Final Cut Pro in under 2 minutes every single time. I also make videos every 2 weeks on everything video editing, so if you like that, subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.